These low-reflection fiber optic terminator connectors are designed for use in unused ports. FIS fiber optic terminator connectors have zirconia ferrules and reduce back reflection in fiber optic systems. The terminator connectors are ideal for patch panels with wave division couplers or splitters. FIS fiber optic terminator connectors are available in UPC and APC finishes. Connector styles in SC, LC, ST, and FC, and each of these fiber optic connectors is industry compatible. To purchase FIS fiber optic terminator connectors, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-500-0347.